Hi, welcome back to the Reload Bench. So this year I've had some issues with my black powder revolvers that I've never had to deal with in the past. And because of that, I really wasn't adequately equipped in order to deal with those issues. Now, I improvised in the field and I learned a few things and I was able to get through it, but that made me decide to go ahead and invest in some more tools that I can use either here on the bench or out in the field in order to deal with problems. So I'm doing some last minute Christmas shopping for somebody that I know that has a black powder revolver. They're kind of new to it and they really don't have a whole lot of tools. And I thought, I know a practical gift that would help them out possibly. If they ran into the similar situation that I ran into earlier this year and they don't have the adequate tools, they may not even be able to improvise in order to deal with the problem. So I've decided to go out and make a purchase, but I wanted to test it out before I gave it out as a gift. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up one and attempt to use it right here on camera. If it works, I'm going to go back to the store and buy another one and give it to them for Christmas. So let's get on with the demonstration. Alright, let's go ahead and open up the puller. Just use the buck knife here. And we'll go ahead and open up the T-handle. To the side. It should, let's see here. Okay, it just threads right in there. And it's got a little dimple there. I'm guessing that's, and that might be for conical right there. These might actually be able to be used as starters. Go ahead and thread this in. It should be 1032 threads. Alright, so alright, there it is. That is the chamber that I put this in. So let's see if I can simply just take my palm here and push down and drive this in. And I'm not really watching the camera right now, so hopefully my arm's not blocking the shot too bad. You can see I was able to drive it right in. Yeah, it's a little crooked. Let's see if I can straighten it out some. So, will it pull out? No. That's bad, because now I'm eating up material. I may have shoved it in there too far. Nope, that's bad. So this one is in there, but it's not recessed. I put that other one in there pretty far. So now that's not to say that you couldn't do that sort of thing if you had no powder in there and jammed a lead round ball in there. So on my second attempt, hopefully I'm more successful. You can see I'm just trying to, and I know I'm blocking the shot a little bit here. This is I could use an overhead camera. So what I'm doing is I'm trying to apply pressure with my palm and steady this with my left forefinger here, and just try to drive it in to this soft lead, and simply, hopefully, pull it out like so. Now, as far as the other lead ball, it's down in there. I was able to get this in there so far. Yeah. And didn't have any really good results. I had it jammed down there way too far. I'm going to try again right here on camera. Still bite into that lead. Yeah, I think it's just going to pop right out. Yeah, it's just going to pop right out. So what I'll have to do is I have to take the nipple wrench, take off that nipple, and take a punch and drive it through. Maybe I'll show that in another video. Otherwise, though, I would say that this purchase, you're talking about let's see, $18 for the handle and $4 for the bullet puller. So with sales tax and whatnot, about $25. But at least the handle for sure is American made, and it worked right here on camera. So if you're looking for an option to have a tool to be able to deal with a situation like this, one of several different ways to deal with this sort of situation, I'd go ahead and recommend this. And it would also make a good gift for somebody you know who's into black powder revolvers. Thanks for watching.